I wasn't actually planning on another video this evening. I was planning on one tomorrow, and it'll be more poignant tomorrow, and I'll tell you why. But here's the good news. Like 22 lymph nodes have been removed from my pancreas and around my pancreas. The analysis, the latest analysis, is very positive. Olga's jumping up and down. She can read it in Russian, obviously a lot faster than I can. It's very good. And I kind of feel like I'm over, not so much over a wall, but I'm over a barrier. You know, maybe it's a psychological thing. There's definitely a psychological connection. And then I'm pottering around our home, like shuffling like a penguin, but the pain in my stomach is like going. Not gone, but going. So happy Friday. Let's have a painless, fun, stress-free weekend on those notes.